Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to book your flight tickets on online Expedia. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time flyer, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser, type Expedia into your search bar, and hit enter. Once you're on the Expedia homepage, select the Flights tab. Choose type of flight one-way or round trip. Enter your flight details. Start with the departure city by clicking on the Leaving From field and typing in your city. Next, enter your destination city in the Going to field. Choose your departure and return dates using the calendars provided. Then, go to the Travelers tab and select the number of adult, child, and infant passengers. If you want to add a place to stay or a car, you can select those options as well. Now that you've entered your flight details, click on the Search button. Expedia will display a list of available flights based on your criteria. You'll see a list of flights with different airlines, departure and arrival times, and prices. Take your time to compare options. You can use filters to narrow down your search based on price, airlines, departure time, and more. Once you've found the right flight, click on it. On the next page, review your flight and click the Select button. If you choose round-trip flight type, here finds your return flight and click on it. Now review your select flight and click Select button again. Price summary page will open. Click on the Checkout button. Next, click Go to Checkout button. Now, enter passenger information, including names, contact details, and passport information for each passenger. Double-check all information for accuracy. The final step is payment. Enter your payment details, including credit card number, expiration date, and CVV. Review your booking details one last time, including passenger information, flight details, and total cost. Once you're satisfied, click on Complete Booking to confirm your booking. And that's it. You've successfully booked your flight tickets on Expedia. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.